Hello friends! I'm just doing this quick video to point out an issue I had with Cloanto's Amiga Forever Plus Edition version 8. Like many other people out there, I bought the Plus Edition of Amiga Forever to legally obtain licensed Kickstart files for use in emulators such as WinUAE and Amiberry. I had no need for the Windows 10 Amiga Forever application, or any other feature included. So I installed Amiga Forever and unchecked the checkbox for running the application. Upon completion of the install, I went to copy the ROM files to a USB drive for use in an emulator. By the way, in these later versions of Amiga Forever, the ROMs are located in C drive, or whatever drive your Windows is installed, Users, Public, Public Documents, Amiga Files, Shared, ROM. Upon importing the ROMs to my emulator, nothing worked. What gives? Turns out the issue is that these are encoded ROMs. You see, other versions of Amiga Forever included these encoded ROMs, and also included a key file in the same directory. However, the new Plus edition promises that no key file is needed, and therefore they don't include one. To cut a long story short, the solution is that I needed to run the Amiga Forever application at least once, because when it runs for the first time it authenticates your license key and automatically unencodes the ROMs. I finally figured this out and I felt pretty stupid. When I discovered the ROMs I had were useless, I thought that maybe I should run the Amiga Forever application. I remember hearing that it had some ROM utilities and maybe I needed to export something or whatever. When Amiga Forever started, I had the ROMs folder open and I noticed that the ROM files time and date changed the minute I ran Amiga Forever. And that was my clue that I had just solved the issue. As I explained earlier, you have to start the Amiga Forever application at least once, so that it can validate your license key and modify the ROMs. Now, why do you think this is an issue worth addressing on my YouTube channel? With all due respect, and as a customer of Amiga Forever, I don't think the developers of Amiga Forever realize how many people pay for the Plus edition just for the ROMs. How many people are fans of WinUAE and Amiberry? I imagine it might be a large percentage of Amiga Forever customers. In the publisher's defense, they did have the Run Amiga Forever checkbox checked, and I'm the dummy who unchecked it. They have clearly done things this way in the inevitable event of the installer package being passed around illicitly. The ROMs will not work for the unscrupulous. However, a simple message regarding the requirement of the application to be ran before the ROMs can be used, I think would help a certain percentage of users. But all in all, I still strongly recommend the Amiga Forever Plus edition. It is a great value. Thank you for watching.